Hey friends, this is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. Have you ever wondered, how can I sell my house fast for cash? Stay tuned.
Okay, let's hop right into it. We're going to be talking about how you can sell your house fast for cash. Check it out. This is going to be the Express Offers program, and I recently got certified for this program. And what it does is allow me to help sellers, basically give them an option to have an all cash offer on their home. This allows me to work with iBuyers or institutional buyers who are able to offer all cash offers on properties. Now, I want to go through how simple it is to see if your house qualifies to be purchased from an iBuyer with our Express Offers plan. All right, so it says multiple potential cash offers for your home, fast and hassle free. As a matter of fact, these iBuyers can close at different times, some of them within 10 days or less. So it's really up to you as the seller, and you can choose when you want to close. But if you need a convenient offer versus top dollar, this is a program you should consider. Now, it says Express Offers is eXp Realty's online marketplace that can get you multiple competitive offers quickly without the hassle of fixing up, staging, or showing. These are things you don't even have to go through if you use the Express, or if your house qualifies for the Express Offers program. Now, look how simple this is. This is how you get the whole ball rolling, right? You enter your name, your full name, first, last name, your phone number, and the property address, and your email. And if you're already working with an eXp Realty agent, go ahead and select this box. And I'll do that toward the end. I'll fill it in just so you guys can see at the end. But I want to scroll down just to let you see some of this. It says no obligations, no stress, just 3 simple steps. And you'll see how easy this is. So step 1, you fill in the 4-question form, which we just showed you up above. Just your name, phone number, email, and a property address, or the property address that you're interested in. An agent will contact you to submit your property. That agent will be me. All right, so you'll get a call from me, or you'll get an email from me, or a text from me. All right, but I will be in communication with you. And even if your property is not in the state of Georgia, we have a nationwide network where there are other agents just like myself who are certified to help you with an Express Offers offer from an iBuyer. All right, so step 2 is receive your offers. Eligible homes may quickly receive 1 or more cash offers. Okay, that's important. There's not just one buyer that we work with. There are several buyers who are able to make all cash offers. And these people have been vetted. These actually companies have been vetted even before they're allowed on this platform. It says choose your closing date. That's step number 3. If you accept an offer, you choose the closing date that works for you. This is let's get started, and that'll take you back up to the form above. All right. Now you probably have some questions about Express Offers. So again, I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you. It says backed by the biggest. We're part of eXp Realty, the country's largest realtor, geographically more than 40,000 agents. And we're actually at 45,000 at the time of this video. It says no headaches, no hassles. With our online marketplace, you don't have to stage or show or fix your home. You don't have to do that. The iBuyers will take care of that. There are 2 types of main iBuyers that we have. We have the iBuyers that will come in to fix your house, and then they will flip it for profit. And then we also have another type of iBuyer who will buy the house and hold it for long-term cash flow. So something that you don't even have to deal with. You sell your house, these companies, they deal with it from there. You get a fast cash offers. It says potential to quickly receive multiple cash offers from institutional buyers. Covered that. And it says no fees to request an offer. Request and receive offers at no cost to you and with no obligation to accept an offer either. Again, you are in control of the process. All right. So it says what we do is Express Offers is eXp's Realty's online platform that easily connects individual home sellers with institutional buyers across the United States. It lets you, the seller, avoid the stress of traditional home sales. The repairs, cleaning, staging, showing, appointments, and surprises have been replaced with a simple and straightforward process that can generate multiple cash offers and give you more options and control. About eXp Realty, who we are. eXp Realty is one of the fastest growing real estate tech companies in the world with more than 40,000 agents in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. We've opened up in several countries since this was published. As a subsidiary of a publicly traded company, eXp Realty uniquely offers real estate professionals within its ranks opportunities to earn eXp World Holdings stock for production and contributions to overall company growth. Okay, that's just a little bit about eXp. And it says find an agent near you. Okay, so we are in many states, all right, and growing. All right, so let's get started. Now, here we go. We're going to go through some of the frequently asked questions, the FAQs, and this is what I really want you guys to see, where it's available. And again, we've expanded in some other states. It says Express Offers is currently available in these states: Alabama, Arizona, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Tennessee, I went out of order, Utah, Virginia, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. All right, so listen, if you need help and you need to move your house fast, you may want to consider this program. Again, all you need to do is go to the top and you can click on either one of these buttons. The link is in the description that will take you directly to a page like this. I will get forwarded the email and I will have the information to contact you and ask you more questions to see if your house qualifies. All right, so let's see. If I submit a request, am I guaranteed to get an offer? And this is very important, okay? We're going to cover everything, so there's no surprises. Express Offers is currently available in select areas for listings that meet certain criteria determined by institutional buyers, such as property value and home condition. Criteria vary by location. Not all submissions receive an offer. However, certain submissions will receive multiple offers. Let's see if your house qualifies. Again, contact me if you need to sell your home. Contact me. Use the link below. Again, this is the Express Offers program. This is Carlton Lewis, and I'm coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia, but I'm not limited to Atlanta. Let us help you. All right? Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day.